Exhaustive. That's how one family described the journey of their father, who was among the group of fishermen that returned home from Colombia late Friday night. 37 fishermen were released by the Colombian authorities, majority of them Jamaicans. Jamila Maitland reports.
It's been a long journey home for the family, who said their father has not slept comfortably since being caught out at sea and in the custody of another country. Relatives say he's exhausted from the ordeal and is currently resting. He was among a group of fishermen who were arrested by the Colombian authorities for illegal fishing. In a video recorded by the fishermen, they begged for the Jamaican authorities to bring them home.
Colombia said them finished with we. Exactly. Them done with we. Them not all we know, but we just not have the pass to go up on the road. Right? We don't have no food, we don't have no water, we don't have nothing. Right? So we don't see the reason why our Jamaican government, yes, sir, like we are terrorists, like we are criminals, them no want to come that way. Right? So we want to know why Jamaican government that takes so long to come for it and Colombia release we already. And when release it, it's just that we don't have any transport.
And in a release on Friday, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Kamina Johnson-Smith said the fishermen were received by members of the Jamaica Defense Force and representatives of the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICA. The group that arrived in Port Royal included 33 Jamaicans and 4 Dominicans. They were not charged. However, the boat captain is still in the custody of the Colombian authorities. The minister, who spoke in the Senate about the issue a week ago, said the fishers must be responsible when out at sea.
Illegal fishing is a major international issue. Vessels are seized. That's part of a judicial process. Crew is liable to be imprisoned. Again, a judicial process. They are not political processes in which governments can engage and on friendship. If a decision is taken to commence that process, it becomes very difficult. I want to call on our boat owners and operators and the captains of these vessels to fish responsibly in our waters.
She also said the frequency of these incidents has pointed to the need for a policy to deal with these cases.
We will be working with the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries to establish a policy on treating these matters, because although we hope they will not continue to multiply, we do believe that we're in circumstances where we can no longer treat them in an ad hoc manner. We need a full policy, cross-government policy to treat with such matters going forward.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.